Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 desktop not refreshing. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options. Click Restore Defaults, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click Control, create new key named as Update, create new dword 32-bit value named as Update Mode, change value data to 0. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.